In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently use Lovable AI to create engaging social media content in no time at all. Whether you're managing a brand or just trying to spice up your personal profiles, Lovable AI can be a great tool to streamline your content creation process. We'll start by making sure you're prepared, and then I'll walk you through each step to ensure you're making the most of this powerful platform. First things first, you'll need to open your Chrome browser and navigate to Lovable AI's website. Logging in is your gateway to unlocking all the wonderful features available, so ensure your credentials are handy. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the homepage where you can either create a new project or choose to work within an existing one. Think of a project as a space dedicated to all your related content creations. It really helps to keep things organized and easily accessible. Now let's focus on selecting the social media content generator or template. Lovable AI provides a variety of templates that cater to different needs, whether it's for quick content or more intricate campaigning. Taking a moment to select the right template is crucial. It sets the overall tone and structure for the content you're about to create. Next, it's time to input key details. You'll be prompted to define your target audience, which is vital because it affects how the content will be tailored. Don't rush this part. Consider who you're speaking to and what resonates with them. Alongside this, input the theme of your post and any specific keywords that are central to your message. The more precise you are here, the better the AI will be at generating relevant and compelling content. With all the groundwork laid out, you're ready to generate post ideas or full content using Lovable AI's advanced algorithms. Sit back and let the technology work its magic. You'll soon see a range of suggestions appear, each crafted to fit the parameters you've set. Of course, while AI is impressive, there's no substitute for the human touch. Review the generated posts carefully and edit them to fit your voice and style. This step ensures that what you're sharing is authentic and aligns perfectly with your branding or personal voice. Finally, once you're satisfied with the posts, it's time to put them to work. Lovable AI makes it easy to export or schedule your creations directly to your social media platforms. Consider planning out a calendar of your posts so that you maintain consistency and keep your audience engaged over time. And there you have it. With these steps, Lovable AI can be your go-to assistant for crafting social media content efficiently and effectively. By harnessing the power of AI alongside your creativity, you can keep your online presence exciting and fresh. Thank you for tuning in, and happy creating.